Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make money as a TikTok creator. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So here's a side job that's fun and pays well. Even though I've had the TikTok app on my phone for months, I just started using it yesterday. I know that some new TikTok users go to YouTube to learn how to upload videos, but I didn't want to do that. I'm a tad impatient. So I looked around and saw a make video button, which I used to record my cats going for a walk. I made 3 videos in a row and then hit post. After almost 12 hours, I have over 1,000 views and the number keeps growing. I found another button to upload pictures, so I uploaded pictures of my gelato and cappuccino. People are watching it, but not as many as my cat videos. I also sent the link to Facebook. With each video I uploaded, I added text, video, and hashtags. I also learned that you can add a description to try to get more people to click on your link. You can also post videos and become part of the TikTok community. Just watch out for people who want to be your friend. Too many men have sent me messages telling me I'm beautiful and all that stuff, even despite my saying I am married. Why me? There are a lot of other young, attractive people on there. Is it a romance scam? New TikTokers, beware. So I had to try different things. I told them that if they were interested, I could tell them about Jesus and God. One person took me up on the offer, so I told him about some websites about Jesus. The other one went after someone else to bother them. I was thinking like a medium writer and didn't want to block the TikToker unless he was too annoying. I also asked for views in exchange for watching some of his videos and it worked. So how to make money? In order to make money, you need 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. I don't have enough money yet, but I hope to get there someday. If you do have the numbers, money will come in and you can be an influencer and do more. Only a few countries have it, like the US, Germany, Italy, France, and Spain. I've heard that it's coming to Canada this year, so Canadians should sign up to meet the requirements. As a member of the TikTok Creator Program, you can get in touch with brands to see if they want to sponsor you. Sounds great, right? Influencers with a lot of followers can make up to $1,000 per piece. That is enough to stop working. Did I say TikTok is fun? Yes, it's easy and it's also easy to post videos. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. So make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. And it's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.